You know, you already use AI every single day, and you probably don't even realize it. Seriously, it's not some crazy far-off future technology. It's quietly working in the background of your life right now. Let's just walk through a totally normal morning, and you'll see exactly what I mean.
Okay, so it starts the second your day begins. You wake up, but maybe not to that awful, jarring buzz. Instead, it's a smart alarm on your phone that has actually learned your sleep patterns to wake you up at the perfect time.
Before your feet even touch the floor, you might mumble something like, "Hey, what's the weather today?" And bam! Instantly, a voice assistant gives you the full forecast. You didn't push any buttons or type a thing, you just had a little conversation.
And then, while you're getting ready, you tap your music app, and it just serves up the absolute perfect playlist. It's like it just knows the vibe you're going for in the morning, right?
All of that feels completely 100% normal. It's the standard morning routine for millions and millions of us. But what is really going on behind the scenes with all these little actions?
Well, let's go ahead and pull back that curtain. Every single one of those moments, the alarm, the weather update, the music, it was all powered by artificial intelligence. It's this unseen assistant that's helping you start your day.
So what even is AI? Okay, first, forget all the sci-fi robots. Just think of it like a super smart, super fast assistant. It's a computer program that's been shown massive amounts of information, so it can get really good at spotting patterns. It doesn't have feelings or think like a person, but by learning from all those examples, it can make amazing suggestions, like figuring out which movie you'll want to watch next. But wait a minute, haven't computers always just followed instructions? What makes AI so special? Well, the secret sauce is this huge shift from just following a strict set of rules to actually learning on its own.
Here's the main difference. A traditional computer program is like a cook following a recipe, word for word. It does exactly what it's told, step by step. If you want a different dish, you need a totally new recipe. But AI is like a chef who's studied thousands of recipes. It learns the principles of cooking and can adapt, improvise, and create something new. It learns from experience, not just from a fixed instruction manual.
So how does it learn? Honestly, you can think of it like a student in school. First, it gets shown a ton of examples. Let's say you want it to recognize a cat. You show it thousands and thousands of pictures of cats. Next, it's going to make mistakes and get corrected. It might see a cat and guess dog, and a developer will say, "Nope, try again." And finally, it gets better with practice. The more pictures it sees, the more accurate it gets. Just like us, it learns over time.
And this awesome learning ability isn't just for your morning playlist. This unseen assistant is with you all day long, making tons of things in your life just a little bit smoother.
I mean, just think about it. That spam filter that keeps your inbox looking clean, that's AI spotting patterns in junk mail. Amazon recommending a product that makes you go, "Whoa, I actually need that." AI. Your social media feed that seems to know exactly what you find interesting, you guessed it, AI again. It's even working in the background predicting traffic jams on Google Maps and protecting your bank account by flagging weird activity. It's everywhere.
Now, this might all seem like it happened overnight, but AI has been in the works for decades. I mean, the actual term, artificial intelligence, was coined way back in 1956. Then we had these huge milestones, like in '97 when IBM's Deep Blue beat the world chess champion. And of course, in 2011, Siri put a virtual assistant in all of our pockets. But really, it was the release of ChatGPT in 2022 that brought AI into the spotlight for pretty much everyone, showing just how powerful and accessible it had become.
So, with AI pretty much everywhere we look and getting more powerful by the day, what's the big takeaway here? What does all this really mean for us?
This really gets to the heart of it. The main idea is that AI isn't here to replace people. It's a tool, and it's designed to empower us. By handling all the repetitive, data-heavy tasks, it frees us up to focus on the stuff that humans are great at. Being creative, thinking big, and making tough calls. It's an assistant, not a replacement.
So, the next time you ask your phone for directions or get a song recommendation that's just perfect, remember what's really going on behind the scenes. AI isn't some futuristic robot from a sci-fi movie. It's a real, practical, powerful tool that is already living right here in your pocket.